sleep on any side. Oi, oi. Moving on swiftly, we're just gonna rub some cream on our face because my auntie forgot to rub cream this morning. And we're gonna put on some base highlighter so that underneath the foundation. Shut up! No one doing this video, not you. Anyways, we're using the beauty blender to blend. We're using Fenty Beauty to massage it into our face so that it is something like serum powder and the rest of the components of the makeup. So, now we're using concealer to make her eyes papalicious. So she's obviously like putting on the concealer, whatever, by Revolution on her nose, and she's blending it out with a beauty blender. Blending some, so it's like smooth and gives that natural effect. You know what I mean? I hope so. So she's using the setting powder to give her face a more natural effect. She's using this with a beauty, a Morphe beauty brush, flat brush, and it's just to give. Is it not? Oh, okay. And anyway, she's using that to obviously set it in place. The looks coming together, guys. She's using mascara. I guess she's using mascara to obviously, so when she applies the lashes, it looks nice. She's lining her lips with the Kiko lip liner, shade Chestnut. I'm joking, I don't know what she's using, but she's just lining up her lips with a lip liner. Just to give it like an outline, so you obviously know where her lips are in the presence of her face. I don't know, she's using this lip gloss. Obviously it's like a nudie colour and it's giving her that